Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have two tables and a clear primary/foreign key. Start by deciding which table must preserve all rows. Use the right join clause. Select columns from left table, right join right table on left. Key equals right. Key. Execute a limited test query to confirm behavior. You'll see every row from the right table, matched or padded with null from the left. Once you verify the output, expand columns and remove limit to inspect full results and confirm the join direction is correct. Once done with a basic test, focus on how null and filters change results. If you need values instead of null, wrap columns with coalesce, column, default, so aggregates behave predictably. Make sure to place row matching logic in the on clause when you want to keep unmatched right table rows, moving filters to where can unintentionally turn your right join into an inner join. Also, index the join keys and update statistics for large datasets to prevent full scans and keep execution time reasonable. To finish, validate final column selection and qualify names to avoid ambiguity. Table. Column. Run the full right join and inspect the execution plan. If results look inverted, swap table order and use left join instead to achieve the same outcome. If aggregates misbehave, reevaluate coalesce and grouping. Troubleshooting tip. When unexpected rows or duplicates appear, examine join key uniqueness and check whether filters are in on versus where. Incorrect placement is the most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.